First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister says polls to Autonomous District Council will be held after completion of ongoing delimitation process in hill districts. Four army personnel killed in firing incident inside Punjab's Bhatinda military station. Police rule out terrorist attack angle. Chinese woman becomes first person to die from type of bird flu rare in humans, says World Health Organization. Two individuals, including women, arrested for possession of 196 grams of contraband heroin during frisking and checking at SURAJ. A very good evening. You are watching IS Prime Time English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. This is SURAJ Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren today released a book entitled A Compendium of Important Decisions of the Manipur Information Commission at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal. The Commission has been taking a crucial role in providing access to information concerning various government departments through the Right to Information Act, Chief Minister and Biren said on the occasion. He described the book released today as another achievement in the state government's sincere efforts to maintain accountability and transparency. Education Minister Thanawazam Basantakumar and officials were present at the event. Chief Minister on the occasion further said that the schedule for the urban local bodies polls has been fixed and that polls to Autonomous District Councils ADCs will be conducted as soon as the ongoing delimitation process is finished in the hill districts. Chief Minister also expressed unhappiness over the increase of 1.40 lakh voters faultily in the state's electoral roll and said the revision process is underway to correct it. Biren also iterated no new settlements and naming of villages with 2 tree houses will be allowed in the hill districts of Manipur.
Even forest and I say that which in the with photographs, Google ski, satellite mapping, retrospective. What are they? 2006 dana 3 jagas ka lermi 11 dana ka lermi 21 dana ka lermi 23 dana ka lermi all the document on the photorani is an every district change ya ro sumai ta una ko land review city khana mu kaina ri khana ri maru ma pan to nari ma masuda khati ga zabi ga tonari ba mipo ka yansan lammi ba amma dai yansan lammi to ni an land revenue report shi ko ma maintain to adun madungi land revenue report ko digitalization to na ba ki process ho raha hai aap inara gadget ho property cabinet decision lo kanda 1960 ki land review survey.
4 army personnel were killed in a firing incident inside Punjab's Bhatinda military station today, even as the police have ruled out a terrorist attack angle in the incident, media reported. According to Indian Army, the firing incident was reported in the wee hours around 4:35 a.m. inside Bhatinda military station, after which station quick reaction teams were activated and the area was cordoned off and sealed. Bhatinda's senior superintendent of police, Gulnit Khurana, said that according to an initial investigation, it appears to be a fratricidal incident. He asserted that the police are in touch with the army authorities and the team has reached a spot and in depth a probe is being done. He also made it clear that the same is not a terrorist attack and that investigation so far reveals that the incident is related to some internal issues. Meanwhile, according to the latest statement released by the Southwestern Command of the Indian Army, the area has been sealed off and joint investigations with Punjab police are being coordinated to establish the facts of the case. It also added that no other injuries to personnel or loss damage to property have been reported. The statement also said that all aspects, including the possible case of involvement of the INSAS rifle along with 28 rounds reported missing 2 days back, are being ascertained. A Chinese woman has become the first person to die from a type of bird flu that is rare in humans. The World Health Organization (WHO) said, but the strain does not appear to spread between people. Confirmed the same in a statement late yesterday. WHO said the 56-year-old woman from the southern province of Guangdong was the third person known to have been infected with the H3N8 subtype of avian influenza. All the cases have been in China, with the first 2 cases reported last year. The Guangdong Provincial Center for Disease Control and Prevention reported the third infection late last month but did not provide details of the woman's death. The patient had multiple underlying conditions, said the World Health Organization, and a history of exposure to live poultry. Sporadic infections in people with bird flu are common in China, where avian flu viruses constantly circulate in huge poultry and wild bird populations. Collected from a wet market visited by the woman before she became ill were positive for influenza AH3, said the WHO, suggesting this may have been the source of infection. The WHO said were no other cases found among close contacts of the infected woman. Though rare in people, H3N8 is common in birds in which it causes little to no sign of disease. It has also infected other mammals. Monitoring of all avian influenza viruses is considered important given their ability to evolve and cause a pandemic. Kaksing Police Commando arrested 2 individuals, including a woman, for possession of 196 grams of contraband heroin. Dongul Ngamkhomang, aged 34 years, son of Dong Thang Haukip of New Wayang village in Chakpikarong in Chandel district, and Lamzaneng Tautang, aged 21 years, daughter of Hemkhose Tautang of Yongolen village under Kengjoy in Chandel district, were arrested by a team comprising women police during frisking and checking at Serolamkai. The team was led by Head Constable K.H. Syam Sundar under the command of OC Kaksing Commando Subedar S. Birla. The heroin was found inside 16 soap cases, a police report said. The arrested along with the drugs have been handed over to Sugnu police station. Manipur registered 1 COVID-19 case in the last 24 hours, according to the latest update from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. A total of 78 samples were tested in the same hours. 1 individual belonging to Central Armed Police Forces (CAPF) was found COVID-19 positive. No deaths due to the virus were reported. The active cases in the state decreased to 9, with 2 persons were discharged in the same hours. Be safe from COVID by following COVID-appropriate behavior, wearing face masks, washing hands, avoiding crowd and being vaccinated are very good preventive means against COVID-19, said COVID-19 Command Control Room. India recorded a single-day rise of 7,830 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, the highest in 223 days. The new infections took the country's total cash load to over 4.47 crore, while active coronavirus cash load has reached 40,215. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll has climbed to 5,31,016 with 16 new deaths in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4 crore and 42 lakh 4,771. The country's recovery rate has dropped to 98.72%. Over 220.66 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the Northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 68 crore and 51 lakh, while more than 68 lakh 38,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 65 crore and 79 lakh. Globally, United States of America has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. Kharam Thadoi village in Kangpokpi district has shown strong opposition to reported renaming of the Kom village as Kom Naga village. Secretary Tia Chung affirmed that the village exclusively belongs to the Kom community. He said the Kom community will always maintain the identity of the village. Speaking to media at Kharam Thadoi Baptist Church today, Achung Kom decried the claim by some individuals in the media that the Kharam Thadoi village is a Kom Naga village. He termed it as an attempt to incite hatred among different communities of the state. He urged all concerned to stop from making such wrong statements. He maintained that the Kom community is one of the oldest indigenous groups of Manipur. He further went on to say that though a tiny population, the community is recognized by the Indian Constitution and condemn any attempt to gain hegemony over the community. Achung Kom also pointed out that the Kom community have long settled in Kharam Thadoi village since the early days and asserted that as per the ancient tradition and custom of the ancestors, the village has a headman and that T. Lunkhokam Kom is the current headman of the village.
Thadoi khunna che kom da dum ekhoi panjarak pane kom da dum leye adana hojik ekhoi gi ningthau chi chu kom da leibne ekhoi se mix oina leye adabo mi kharana ekhoi se kom naga ne haibasi machi thajabi ginu kariginu hairaga di machi misleading ne ekhoi gi manipur gi praja mayam da moina misleading toraga ekhoi gi peaceful oina ekhoi gi mix oina leiba khun cheda ekhoi gi yena ba tobirakanu ekhoi gi indian gi constitution matung ina kom se recognize tobom batam da scheduled tribe gi recognize tobom Kom sidi kom dum laibane adana kom dum laijage adana mayam china misi gi hairi ba mayam china misleading to mayam che thajbiginu ekhoi di kom dum laijage adana hojik jik palabisu kom gi khunne ekhoi mix oina laibane na kom gi khundudi kom haiba tamane ekhoi.
After taking charge as the new Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong, Krishna Kumar chaired his first district level officers meeting at the conference hall at Mini Secretariat at Tamenglong District Headquarters today. In his first DLO meeting, the Deputy Commissioner urged the district level officers to cooperate and support him during his tenure and assured to make people of Tamenglong District get the all-round development. He said that he will be available 24/7 either in office or in his quarter to offer service to the people of Tamenglong as well as for the government officials. Since infrastructure is a main concern for the district development, the Deputy Commissioner said that he will be calling a separate review meeting with the PHED, Power, PWD, Telecommunications, Social Welfare, Health and Family Welfare, Horticulture, Sericulture and Forest departments to discuss length and breadth to determine the loophole in the development of the district. He also informed that MCS officers posted in Tamenglong will be appointed as nodal officers soon to look after the centrally sponsored schemes so as to ensure the benefits of these schemes reach the public. The Deputy Commissioner also instructed the District Information Office, DIPR, to scan all the government and public grievances related news in print, electronic and social media and update them daily to him so as he could discuss properly with the concerned departments and expedite work towards building a good image between the government and the public. During the meeting, the Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong also reviewed the number of centrally sponsored schemes being implemented by the various government departments in Tamenglong district. Officials of 30 departments took part in the district level officers meeting. A new showroom of Manipur Motors Bajaj was opened near Kakching Lamkhai Assam Rifles camp today. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the event, Manipur Motors General Manager H.C. Jain said that the newly opened showroom will not only provide service to the Kakching residents but also to the residents of Thoubal, Chandel and Technopol district. He mentioned that the showroom features a wide range of two-wheelers, three-wheelers and vehicle accessories and parts. He urged the people to visit the showroom and avail the benefits provided by it. Meanwhile, taking part in the function, manager of Punjab Bank of India Kakching branch, M. Bhagat, informed that interested individuals can avail auto rickshaw loans from Punjab National Bank and call upon all to grab the opportunity. The proscribed Revolutionary People's Front RPF and its armed wing People's Liberation Army PLA has paid highest revolutionary honor to all the martyrs who laid down their lives during the course of liberation movement on the eve of Athoba Singinimit, which falls on April 13. A statement from the outfit's Publicity Deputy Secretary Robin Kuman also extended its highest regard to all those who are now permanently disabled owing to tortures by the advisory forces and also all the suffering fellow countrymen. It said that all the courageous people who laid down their lives during the course of the struggle to regain the lost sovereignty of Manipur will ever remain shining like bright stars. It recalled the Battle of Kodompokpi and said the same guided the ongoing war of Manipur's independence, adding that the battlefield will ever remain as a historic event for the future generations to come. The RPF statement also reaffirmed its stand to wage war till regaining the lost sovereignty of Manipur. It further said that during the course of the struggle by RPF and other revolutionary groups for restoration of the lost sovereignty, several thousands of innocent people and revolutionary were killed since 1978-79, while many others suffered injuries. The majority of the casualties in the ongoing Indo-Manipur armed conflict are inflicted upon the natives of Manipur, the RPF said, adding that casualties of the big fields of state terrorism continues unabated till that as military repression of the enemy continues, while reminding that April 13 is observed as Athoba Singinimit or Martyrs' Day every year in honor of supreme sacrifices made by valiant fighters. The outfit called upon the people of all communities in the state to pay homage to memorial tombs of the martyrs as done in the past. It also appealed to light a candle or lamp at their residential gates in the evening as a mark of respect to the departed souls. The outfit has also urged the people not to organize any form of entertainment programs or feasting parties on the day except those related with religious ceremonies. An active member of the banned RPF PLA was arrested by a team of Imphal West Police Commando, corroborated by 4 Assam Rifles from Hengang Makhalikai, Chengkhong in Imphal East District around 2:30 p.m. The arrested was identified as Samurai Latpam Sanjit Sharma, alias Toy, age 30 years, son of S. Santi Sharma of Kalinagar, Ward number 3 in Jiribam District, presently staying in a rented house located at Hengang Makhalikai. According to the police report, the RPF PLA cadre disclosed that he started working for RPF PLA since 2016 under the command of one. Now, further, he disclosed that he recruited new members to RPF PLA organization from Jiribam in Manipur and Kasar in Assam, including one Kanguzam Prem Kumar of Digli of Manipur Basti in Assam in 2016. One mobile handset was recovered from his possession. The arrested has been handed over to Hengang Police Station for taking further necessary legal action, the police reported said. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates.
Ana Layengi office ki thabak amadi koiba chatpada India gi konung New Delhi da laifam leitabaki awaba koklagani Delhi airport kayam naknana leiriba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam gi damakta leizare Hotel Ambrosia laifam gi oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service leigani restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani Vishal Mega Mart Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani ngasi ba contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia A217 Road number 6 Mahipalpur phone number 9643504772
Electric laktabana maram oiduna asabi ising phanglar haibi nungsa thiningai leitraba Thompson Solar Water Heater. Contact number 9862669522. Aikhoigi address Hairanggoidong Nithamja Karong, Imphal West.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching ICE Primetime English News. The BJP has announced the first list of its 189 candidates for the ensuing assembly elections in Karnataka. Of them, there are 52 new candidates to whom the BJP has given tickets. The list also includes the names of 32 candidates from other backward caste, 30 from scheduled caste and 16 from scheduled tribes category. Addressing media at the party headquarters in New Delhi, Union Minister and senior BJP leader Dharmendra Pradhan said the names of 189 candidates are announced as per the recommendation of the BJP Central Election Committee. Announcing the list, BJP General Secretary Arun Singh said that Karnataka Chief Minister SURAJ will contest from Sigaon Assembly seat, while Minister in the state Sasikala Anasaheb Jolly will be the party candidate from Nipani seat. V. Somana will contest from Varuna and Chamaranagar Assembly seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off Rajasthan's first Vande Bharat Express train via video conferencing today. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra attended the program. The inaugural train will run between Jaipur and Delhi Cantonment Railway Station. The regular service of train will start between Ajmer and Delhi Cantonment Railway Station tomorrow, with stops at Jaipur, Alwar and Gurgaon. The new Vande Bharat Express will cover the distance between Delhi Cantonment Railway Station and Ajmer in 5 hours 15 minutes. The fastest train on the same route, Shatabdi Express, takes 6 hours 15 minutes from Delhi Cantonment Railway Station to Ajmer. The new Vande Bharat Express will be faster by 60 minutes as compared to the present fastest train running on the same route. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Apunba Miyamgi Yaifalup in Paurabi felicitated two players of Kundrakpam constituency who bagged gold medals in the recently held 4th South Asian Jit Kundo Championship at Kathmandu in Nepal. The two players are Okram Jiban of Uyumpok and Lanchenbi Chanu of Pukhao. The duo bagged gold medals in the championship held under the aegis of South Asian Jit Kundo Federation. President of Apunba Miyamgi Yaifalup, Wahengbam Premila, handed over a cash prize of 50,000 rupees each to the two players during the felicitation event at the association office. Players of Kanglailel Yoga Training and Research Center Kwakitel who participated in the recently held 26th state-level Yoga Physics Championship were felicitated today. It may be mentioned that the team bagged the overall team champion title in the championship held at MDU Hall from April 7 till 9. The felicitation program was held at the residence of President of Kanglailel Yoga Training and Research Center, P. Arun Kumar, at Kwakitel in Imphal West District. The players of the center who participated in the championship were presented with gift on the occasion. General Secretary of All Manipur Yoga Association S. Ibohal, President Alibo Pisak and Gaurachandra were among those present at the program. In IPL cricket, Mumbai Indians beat Delhi Capitals by 6 wickets in a last ball thriller at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi last night. Mumbai Indians achieved the target in 20 overs after losing 4 wickets. Earlier, Mumbai Indians won the toss and elected to field. Delhi Capitals set a target of 173 runs as Mumbai Indians bowled them out in 19.2 overs. For Delhi Capitals, Captain David Warner scored 51 runs off 47 balls, while Akshar Patel smashed 54 runs in just 25 balls. For Mumbai Indians, Jason Barendorf and Piyush Chawla scalped 3 wickets each. Rohit Sharma, who scored 65 of 45 balls, was adjudged player of the match. Chennai Super Kings will lock horns with Rajasthan Royals at M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai tonight at 7:30. Indian wrestler Nisa Dahiya won her career's first major medal at the senior level as she bagged silver in the women's 68 kg category at the Asian Wrestling Championships in Kazakhstan. This is the biggest ever medal of her career in the women's 68 kg category. Nisha, on a fine injury comeback, reached the final but fell to Japan's Ami Issei by 10-0 and finished as a runner-up. Nisa had defeated China's Fang Zhao by 7-6 in the semi-finals. Meanwhile, another wrestler, Priya Malik, the under-17 world champion and under-20 world silver medalist, also cleans her first big medal on the senior circuit by winning bronze in the 76 kg category at the championship yesterday. Overall, India have won 6 medals so far in the championship. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister says polls to autonomous district councils will be held after completion of ongoing delimitation process in hill districts. Four army personnel killed in firing incidents inside Punjab's Bhatinda military station. Police rule out terrorist attack angle. Chinese woman becomes first person to die from type of bird flu rare in humans, says World Health Organization. Two individuals, including women, arrested for possession of 196 grams of contraband heroin during frisking and checking at Serulamkai. Well, that's it for now. Keep watching ICE News and good night.